All right, so the next step in our process is to make adjustable shelf pin holes. And so I'm gonna do that on each one of my side parts. Important that you're gonna do them on the side that has the dados and the rabbits. I've already got one in here, ready to go, but I just wanna show you what the shelf pins are. There's these little tiny things that are gonna go inside our actual cabinet so that we can move those shelf pieces up and down. And so I'm gonna use this machine right here. It's a line boring machine. And so each one of these color drill bit heads right here is gonna drill a very specific hole to the right depth and the right distance. And I've got this set up to where I've got these stops to where they're gonna be parallel and the same on each one that I do. So I got the flip stops right here. And this is gonna get clamped down right here. So it's really a hands-off machine. And so that gives you a little bit of a visualization right there of what one side is gonna look like. I'm gonna flip this around and do the other side as well. Easy as that. That's what one of your parts should look like.